In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your assets in Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your balances, your overall portfolio view, and a clean list of every transaction, so you can quickly check what you own and how it's moving. Start by opening your browser and searching for Coinbase. In the results, choose the official Coinbase website and make sure the address bar shows the correct domain and a secure lock icon. That way, you know you're on the legitimate site before you proceed. A stable internet connection helps pages load quickly as you navigate. Once the home screen loads for your account, you'll see the main dashboard with navigation along the top or side. This page highlights market prices and shortcuts to key areas. From here, we're going straight to your balances, so look for the section or tab labeled My Assets. Click My Assets. This brings up a clear list of everything you hold in Coinbase, including individual coins, any cash balance, and your current total value. You'll usually see the 24-hour change in each asset's value at a glance, which is helpful for quick check-ins. If you have many holdings, scanning this list is the fastest way to spot what moved the most since your last visit. Next, go to Advanced at the lower part of the page. Scroll down if you need to. Advanced opens a more detailed view designed for deeper tracking. Inside this area, click Portfolio. Portfolio shows your overall allocation and performance, so you can spot trends and understand how your holdings are distributed over time. You might notice timeframe options and value versus percentage views that help you interpret movement without switching away. Use this overview to see whether your balance changes are driven by price moves or by your own activity. Finally, click Transactions. This is your detailed activity log. Here you can review deposits, withdrawals, buys, sells, and conversions, all lined up with dates, amounts, and statuses. Use this view to confirm recent actions or double-check any activity that looks unfamiliar. If something seems off, check the status column. Pending items may take time to settle. Network fees and small rounding differences are normal in crypto, so focus on the net amounts reflected in your balances. To recap, you searched for Coinbase in your browser, landed on the home screen, opened My Assets, moved down to Advanced, selected Portfolio, and then Open Transactions. With these views, you can quickly scan your balances, dig into performance, and review activity with confidence.